Governors Lusaka and Wisely, kutoka Bungoma na Elgeyo Marakwet, our area member of parliament and the chairman of the parliamentary group from Nakuru County, Mheshimiwa Gikaria, our very wonderful speaker of the County Assembly of Nakuru, together with the majority leader, the deputy speaker, all the members of the County Assembly present, including the clerk, my CECs present, the CEOs, all the staff from Nakuru County, and all the stakeholders here today, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. God is good, and all the time, and that's his honor, that's his nature. So it is my singular honor and privilege to welcome you all to this very special occasion on the launch of the County Integrated Development Plan, the great county of Nakuru today. Alongside the CIDP 2023-2027, we are also launching the County Statistics Abstract that will form the basis for future projections in service delivery. I most sincerely thank my colleague governors present here for shelving their busy schedules to join us today. I'm humbled by your support, and to the MP and the business community, the MCAs, and the distinguished guests, all the distinguished guests here today, we are grateful that you're here with us as we launch this development and service delivery blueprint for my government. To the great people of Nakuru here with us today, we are honored by your presence because the document we are launching belongs to you. It's a product of your views on how you want us to serve you. When we sat as a team to prepare the CIDP 2023-2027, we asked ourselves several questions. What are the development outcomes of the last 10 baseline survey, dissemination of guidelines for preparation of the third CIDP, the 2023-27, submission of inputs from all the sector working groups, public participation, consultation of stakeholders' inputs, submission of public memoranda, harmonization of inputs, internal adoption and approval by the county executive and by the county assembly to arrive at the document we have today. This, the people's document, represents the aspirations of our county. The 2023-2027 CIDP is the melting pot of our dreams. My manifesto is aligned to the National Development Framework, the Kenya Vision 2030, and its fourth medium-term plan, the bottom-up economic agenda, better, together with international commitments and obligations, such as the Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs. This event, therefore, isn't just another ritual, but the solemnization of the commitment to the people. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the CIDP 2023-2027 is premised under the theme, Sustained Economic Growth for Shared Prosperity. To fortify this theme, this CIDP further integrates my manifesto, which aims to build a society of inclusive leadership and socio-economic existence of a country. Should not, in our case, the county. Guided by the notion of continuity in government, we chose to complete the stalled projects during the first year in office. It is meaningless and a waste of taxpayers' money at that to fail to complete stalled projects just because you didn't initiate them. To this end, we have and are upgrading and operationalizing 8 sub-county health facilities to level 4 hospitals. Recruited and placed health workers and sustainably increased the budget for preventative. This will be achieved through enhancing social welfare of the vulnerable groups, implementing the County Disability Fund through a 1.375 billion kiti to support 550 people with disabilities and 60 other groups. By operationalizing the Njoro OVC Center and improving the capacity of the Arms House for the elderly. Operationalizing the County Gender-Based Violence Center supporting 54,880 poor households with insurance cover, control of drug and substance abuse through campaigns, and allocating 350 million towards the county emergency fund by 2027. Development of community empowerment services, development of sports infrastructure, and nurturing of sports talents, promotion of gender equality and socio-economic empowerment, promotion and preservation of culture and heritage, and promotion of youth empowerment and development initiatives by response vehicles, and recruit 60 firefighters. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, fifthly, the county targets to improve access to quality healthcare services for its citizens while reducing disease burden under the health to our citizens, institutionalizing performance management systems, strengthening of the legislation and oversight roles of our public agencies, promoting good governance, improved revenue administration through mapping of revenue sources and automation of revenue streams, enhance external resource mobilization and disaster mitigation and preparedness, and other public service reforms. 7, to create an enabling environment for promoting private sector growth and faster growth of MSMEs. We intend to finance 5,000 MSMEs annually through the County Enterprise Fund and 400 cooperatives through the County Cooperatives Revolving Fund. We are setting up the management boards of these funds, and soon they will be operationalized. We will also facilitate the formation of business producer groups and create market linkages and establish a county business incubation center to nurture and grow MSMEs. Finally, we will support cooperatives by improving profitability, competitiveness, and their sustainability. Lastly, to expand and operationalize the county physical and social infrastructure, we intend to develop, maintain, and rehabilitate road networks under the Imarisha Barabara program, contractors and other national agencies. We intend to grade 4,100 kilometers of road and gravel 1,540 kilometers of roads, connect new 5,000 households to the main sewer, complete flagship projects such as Chemasusu and Itare dams, improve transport facilities and government buildings, improve digital literacy in the county, and improve ICT infrastructure and automation of county government services. The county government CIDP3 institutional framework is organized in accordance with the mandate of each unit and interface with external stakeholders and their roles. During the period 2023-2027, the county government will require about 117 billion in order to fund and prioritize sectoral strategic initiatives, excluding the flagships worth 99 billion to be financed by development partners and national government agencies. Forecasted county receipts during the plan period amounts to 103.9 billion, depicting an estimated resource gap of about 15 billion. In order to bridge the resources gap, the county will focus on capital and operational financing strategies, which are informed by past revenue performance, reviews, expected policy changes, favorable macroeconomic environment, and outcomes of the planned county investment in the medium-term period. A robust external resource mobilization approach will be explored to bridge the funding gap and financing the flagship projects. Proper asset management and risk management strategies have also been identified for the focus period. In conclusion, I call upon my team to ensure that they are in sync with the sectoral priorities as set in the CIDP 2023-2027. We are not just here to slogan, but this blueprint is a call to action by those I have bestowed the task of heading respective departments. I commit to the people of Nakuru that we will pursue progressive governance as we seek to monetize our productive sectors, to create jobs, increase income among farmers, improve profitability of business enterprises, transition to manufacturing, embrace technology, and restore agriculture as our primary source of income. With this plan, I'm confident we will create unlimited opportunities for the people of Nakuru. Asanteni sana. Thank you. Thank you.